Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was created under which 5-year plan? Jawahar Rozgar
नहीं, स्किप
ऑप्शन
देगी,
5
स्किप देगी।
ऑप्शन
seventh
वाला
5-year plan, seventh. Who was the chairman of National Income Committee? Jawaharlal Nehru, PC Mahalanobis, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, none of these.
पिसीमालन
PC Mahalanobis, बिल्कुल. Highest priority was given in 8th 5-year plan to which field? Agriculture, industry, human resource development, poverty alleviation.
ह्यूमन रिसोर्स,
Human
ह्यूमन
resource
रिसोर्स
ह्यूमन
development.
Human resource development. In which 5-year plan National Horticulture Mission was launched in India? 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th.
Nine.
ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ହର୍ଟିକଲଚର ମିଶନ 2005 ରେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ହେଇଥିଲା।
10th,
10th. Which commission in India has recently replaced Planning Commission?
नीति आयोग।
नीति आयोग। Mahatma Gandhi dash book translated which book written by John Ruskin in Gujarati language under the name Sarbodaya? On to this last କହିଦେଲି ହେଲା। On to this last এই ବୁକ୍ କୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଗୁଜରାଟୀରେ ଯାହା ନାଁ ଥିଲା ସର୍ବୋଦୟ। ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଫର୍ମୁଲେଟେଡ୍ ବାଇ ହୁମ୍? ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ପ୍ଲାନ୍
एसएन
SN.
एन रॉय, नारायण अग्रवाल, दादा भाई नारोजी,
एसएन
वीके आरवी राव। बिल्कुल एसएन अग्रवाल। Which of the following is not a rural development program implemented in India? निर्मल भारत अभियान, राजीव आवास योजना, इंदिरा आवास योजना, प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना।
Rajiv
निर्मल
Awas Yojana.
राजीव आवास
राजीव आवास योजना, it is related to urban development. For the first time, goal of inclusive development was provided in which plan? 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. 11th. 11th 5-year plan. For the first time, the goal of inclusive development was provided in 11th 5-year plan. Vision
चार्जर
2030 for Indian policy document. The chairman of the committee that prepared the draft was who? ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
ଶୁଭିଲାନି।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଶୁଭୁନି କିଛି
କିଛି ଶୁଭିଲାନି ନା?
ରାଜେଶ ଭାଇ ଟିକେ ମ୍ୟୁଟ କରିଦିଅ।
ट्रेन चलाउछ कि तमे? ट्रेन चलाउछ? ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ନେଇକି କଣ ଜାଣିଛ? Which of the following is not an instrument of monetary policy? Bank rate, open market operation, tax, all of these.
टैक्स
Tax.
Tax.
Simple. Tax is not an instrument of monetary policy. Which is the qualitative tool of instrument of monetary policy? Bank rate, repo rate, selective credit control, open market operation.
Operate.
Repo rate.
Qualitative tool of instrument of monetary policy. दीटा था quantitative, qualitative. तो selective credit control is the qualitative tool. ଆଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ କ'ଣ? rationing of credit, consumer credit regulation, margin requirements, moral suasion. ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ହେଲା qualitative. ये जो रेपो रेट जहाँ भी अच्छी ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन से सब बोले क्वांटिटेटिव टूल्स. ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन भी तो क्वालिटेटिव बोधे. क्वालिटेटिव क्वांटिटेटिव पर देखिबो टिके आज कंफ्यूजन होची. मेनली ओमोटा ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन जोड़ा. The base year for wholesale price index has been shifted to which year? Against 2004-5. ଏବେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି?
11 12
11-12 What is the maximum limit of SLR in India? Statutory liquidity ratio କ'ଣ?
18%.
30%, 20%, 40%, 35%. मैक्सिमम केते? 40%.
25%.
40% अछि. मिनिमम हैला 25% सेंट्रल कमर्शियल बैंक मानक पई आ 40% मैक्सिमम हुए. तो पचारिछि मैक्सिमम लीड. हाउ मेनी बैंक्स वर नेशनलाइज्ड इन 1969? 10, 14,
14
16, 18.
14.
14.
3 बिल्कुल. Which of the following is not an objective of monetary policy? Neutrality of money, exchange rate stability, resource mobilization, price stability.
Last option को.
Exchange बोधे.
ऑब्जेक्टिव्स रे अछि एगुडा सबू. रिसोर्स मोबाइलाइजेशन नाही. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हला कीप स्टेबिलिटी इन एक्सचेंज रेट जोटा थिला ऑप्शन रे. प्राइस स्टेबिलिटी थिला. न्यूट्रालिटी ऑफ मनी थिला. फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी होबो. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट होबो. बैलेंस एज ए बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट एटा भी. व्हिच इज नॉट ए मेथड जो पचार थिली तो क्वालिटेटिव कोडा नुह. ठीक थिला हला. ओपन मार्केट ऑप्शन ऑपरेशन भी होची क्वांटिटेटिव. ठीक थिला. तो क्वालिटेटिव मेथड होची मोराल सुएसन जोटा एग्जाम रे आसे ऑप्शन रे. क्रेडिट रेशनिंग, डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ क्रेडिट मेजरमेंट और मार्जिन लिमिट डिटर्मिनेशन. एगुड़ा कहला क्वालिटेटिव क्रेडिट कंट्रोल रो मेथड. The banks are required to maintain a certain ratio between their cash in hand and total assets. This is called what? SBR, SLR, CBR, CLR.
SLR.
SLR.
चला.
सेमती भी तो आउ सब तो आमे पढ़ू ना केबे. SLR ही गोटे टर्म अछि. Statutory liquidity ratio is the rate that the banks are required to maintain between their cash in hand and total assets. Bank rate is decided by which of the following? SEBI, RBI, SBI, Government of
RBI.
India.
RBI.
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 The goal of open market operation is dash regulation of use of branch, buy and sales of government securities, switch operation.
Buy and sell of financial security.
बिल्कुल. Buying and selling of government securities. Reserve Bank of India Act was passed in which year? 1934, 35, 49,
34.
35.
34.
34.
Act was passed in 1934. आउ थरे कहबो. Which is not a method of qualitative credit control? Change in margin requirement, differential interest rate, change in cash reserve ratio, moral suasion.
Moral support.
Not a method of qualitative credit control. माने quantitative ही थो. Quantitative गोटे अच्छी cash reserve ratio. ऑप्शन हिसाब रे. Which is the tool of monetary policy? Taxation, bank rate,
Tax.
taking
Tax.
loans from public government expenditure. Tool of monetary policy. Bank rate, bank rate. In Indian context, money multiplier is a ratio between dash and dash, M0 and M1, M1 and M2, M2 and M3, M0 and M3,
M0,
M0
M1, M3.
M1
M0 and M3 ହେଲା
M1 M2 ଏରା ସବୁ କଣ
ବ୍ରଡ୍ ମନି କୋଉଟା ବ୍ରଡ୍ ମନି କହନ୍ତି
ଏଇଥିରେ M3
Broad
M4
money
ହଉଛି
M0. M
M3 M4
M3 କୁ
M1 M2 narrow
M3.
M3 କୁ କହନ୍ତି ବ୍ରଡ୍ ମନି M1 କୁ କହନ୍ତି ନାରୋ ମନି
Bank deposit, demand deposit, ଆଉ ମିଶେଇକି M0.
M1
M3 ହେଲା କରେନ୍ସି ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ୍ସ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ରଡ୍ ମନି ଯୋଉଟା ଆଉ M3 ହୁଏ M1 ସହିତ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍କୁ ମିଶେଇଲେ ହୁଏ M3 Narasimhan Committee in 1991 was formed on what? For
Bank
constitutional reform, financial reform, structural reform, agriculture price fixation.
financial reform.
Financial reform. The rate at which banks lend to RBI is called what? Repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate, interest rate.
Repo rate.
RBI को ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ reverse repo rate.
Reverse repo rate.
Reverse repo rate. The rate at which central bank gives discount on bills is called what? Rate of discount, bill rate, loan rate, rate of interest.
Rate
rate of
interest.
discount
Rate
Rate of
interest.
discount. Rate of discount. Commercial paper was first started in India in which year? 1969, 79, 89, 99. Commercial paper.
69
1990, 80, 90 କୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି 89 ନା 99 89 ହେଲା 1989 active passive କହିବ ହେଲା active passive he has not committed the crime
crime has not been committed by him
very good You have adopted the plan.
The plan have
The
been
plan
adopted.
Have been.
have been
Ha-
Has been.
Has been. The plan has been adopted by you. Next. Mr. Akhil opened the gate.
the gate was
the
Gate
gate was
opened
was
by
opened
opened
by.
by Mr. Akhil.
बिल्कुल. The gate was opened by Mr. Akhil. The deer was killed by the boar. Active करो अभी. The deer was
boar
killed
The
by
killed
the.
the
boar
deer.
killed the
The
deer.
boar killed the deer.
बिल्कुल. The boar killed the deer. We are organizing the charity function tomorrow.
The charity
The
function
charity
is
function
being organized.
Very good.
is being organized.
The charity function is being organized tomorrow. By us ନ ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ. Normally. By whom was the coffee made?
Who
Whom
made
Who
the
made the
coffee?
whom
coffee?
Who made the coffee? बिल्कुल. The newspaper was read by me.
I
I read the
I read the
read the
newspaper.
newspaper.
I read the
I read
newspaper. I read the newspaper. ये तो पैसिव थिला एक्टिव हैला. The watchman has been bitten by a stray dog.
a stray dog
a
has
street dog
bitten
between
Has
the
bitten the watchman. बिल्कुल.
The watchman.
A stray dog has bitten the watchman. I was taught by Syam how to drive.
Sam
Sham
taught me
taught me
how
how
to
to drive.
बिल्कुल. Syam taught me how to drive. Hold the rope firmly. Hold the rope firmly.
you should
नहीं नहीं you should केंती होगा.
No, no. I was
let the
advised to.
नहीं.
uh,
Let the rope.
uh, later
Let the rope be held firmly.
we held.
Let the rope be held firmly. He is given proper guidance by his boss.
His boss
Proper
gave proper guidance to him.
proper guidance.
His boss कौन तापरे?
Gave proper
Give
guidance to
हवनी.
him.
Give हवनी. He is given proper guidance by his boss. His boss
his boss
gives
gives
gives him
gives
Gives.
gives him proper guidance. Can you carry my bag upstairs?
can the bag be carried by you
हाँ.
options are the
Upstairs टा आग लगिଯିବ. Can my bag be carried upstairs by you? The judge found the prisoner guilty. এটা बहुत important, बहुत पड़े.
the prisoner
The judge found
watch
the prisoner guilty.
Founded by,
The
prisoner
prisoner
found
watch found
that
founded guilty.
Founded
Prisoner
हुएନି.
founded
Found ठीक ଅଛି.
found guilty by the
found
The prisoner was found guilty
guilty
by the
by
judge. By the
judge.
judge. Who is creating this mess? Who is creating this mess?
by
by
whom the
whom
mess is
By who?
created.
is being
Is
Very good.
being
Being.
sorry is being.
By whom is this mess being created? By whom is this mess being created? ଏଟା ସେମିତି ବି ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଇଜିଲି ହେଇଯାଏ.
again
So I am leaving. Next. What is the meaning of the idiom weather the storm? To deal with a simple situation without being harmed, to deal with a simple situation without harming anyone else, to deal with a simple situation without thinking, to deal with a difficult situation without being harmed.
So it last.
a
Last, to deal with a difficult situation without being harmed. Hoop it up ମାନେ କ'ଣ? WHOOP, hoop it up, UP up. Be continually reminded of an unpleasant topic. Enjoying in a noisy way, usually in a group. Be totally
ଏଇଟା
ignorant.
Noise
Enjoy.
सेकंड टा
Enjoying.
बिल्कुल मस्ती करना हुप इट अप माने हला मस्ती करना एंजॉयिंग इन ए नॉइजी वे यूजुअली इन ए ग्रुप व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ विथ ए वेंजेंस a complete disaster used to emphasize the degree to which something occurs having similar views or attitude to something
सही तो सर
कोटा
B टा
second टा
second.
बिल्कुल used to emphasize the degree to which something occurs what is the meaning of where the green willow where where the green willow willow to do something for someone as an act of kindness suffer unrequited love cause someone to be very frightened, producing a lavish celebrating feast.
तीन मोटा लग
To pretend.
एक तरफा
Second
प्यार
टा
करना where the green yellow माने
love.
suffer unrequited love wild and woolly माने कौन wild and woolly WOOLLY uncouth in appearance or behavior ignoring all obligations near to
Fast टा
perfection बिल्कुल अनियंत्रित जोटाକୁ କହନ୍ତି wild and woolly uncouth in appearance or behavior walk the tightrope माने कौन be an expert be very nervous be very cautious be well trained
very
Cautious.
cautious.
be very cautious बिल्कुल under someone's nose माने कौन roll into small pellets write in small letters write in front of someone wrapped in handkerchief
फास्ट
Third टा
किसी
In
की
front of
किसी
someone.
के एकदम सामने से राइट इन
in
फ्रंट ऑफ
in
समवन
front of some.
under someone's nose up against the wall to take care of themselves and their own safety in a disorderly fashion in an inextricable situation performing well in a difficult
एटा
situation कोटा
तीन मोटा
थर्ड टा किसी बुरी
तीन
अवस्था में फंस जाना
मोटा
up
Third
against the wall in an inextricable situation to play dogs and drakes माने कौन to use recklessly to act cleverly to change places to be friendly
Reckless.
recklessly लग
reckless.
to use recklessly
Recklessly.
लापरवाही से up to the mark माने कौन more than expected up to the required standard of the
Up to
desired
the
height
required standard.
बिल्कुल up to the required standard turn a deaf ear माने कौन acknowledged presented neglected accepted
Neglected.
Neglected.
neglected tide someone over माने कौन get a boat ready to cross a river ask someone for financial assistance give temporary help usually financial complete a
Later.
voyage successfully
To help.
बिल्कुल give temporary help usually financial ହେଇଥିଲେ tide someone over ଆମେ यूज करू take into account माने कौन एटा तो छाड़ select leave control consider
Consider.
consider
कंसीडर करियो
consider take after someone sorry to take after माने कौन to change sides upon
ଦେଖାଶୁଣା।
to chase someone to be similar in appearance to mock someone
सिमिलर
Similar appearance.
बिल्कुल
इन appearance
similar in appearance to hold water माने कौन to be large and deep to be valid and reasonable to be sad
Valid
and
and
depressed
reasonable.
Valid and
to
reasonable.
be unsteady बिल्कुल to be
Then
valid and
reasonable.
reasonable
Valid and reasonable.
through thick and thin माने कौन hope during trying times
Good and bad.
assist during good
वन
times
बैटरी
in good times and bad times बिल्कुल एटा
Good times and bad
Good
times.
times and bad times.
बिल्कुल सोलन हेडेड माने कौन एटा पचारथिली फेमस अनवेल वेल कनेक्टेड कनसीटेड घमंडी कहिथिली
Conceited. Conceited.
कनसीटेड
Common.
नेक्स्ट एंटोनिम कहबो टायरेंट रो एंटोनिम टायरेंट TYRANT राइवल पैट्रन बेनिफैक्टर चैंपियन टायरेंट
आउथर ऑप्शन
राइवल
Out.
पैट्रन चैंपियन बेनिफैक्टर
बेनिफैक्टर
बेनिफैक्टर बिल्कुल उपकारी तार उल्टा हला टायरेंट ट्रांजिएंट रो एंटोनिम ट्रांजिएंट TRANSIENT स्टेशनरी सेलेस्टियल परमानेंट टेम्पोरल
परमानेंट
परमानेंट
परमानेंट एंटोनिम
परमानेंट
पढ़ली तो परमानेंट हबो एंटोनिम टेंडर एंटोनिम ऑफ टेंडर TENDER टेंडर रफ जेंटल वार्म सॉफ्ट
rough,
वार्म
रफ एंटोनिम कहली टेंडर माने हला कोमल तो एंटोनिम हला
soft,
रफ अनएनिमस रो एंटोनिम आइडेंटिकल टर्स इंडिविजुअल भैग
आइडेंटिकल
identical,
आइडेंटिकल
इंडिविजुअल अनएनिमस माने एकमत तो इंडिविजुअल हिजबो तार मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट एंटोनिम विजिलेंट एंटोनिम ऑफ विजिलेंट विजिबल केयरफुल इल्यूसिव केयरलेस
केयरलेस
careless,
केयरलेस
केयरलेस
केयरलेस एंटोनिम ऑफ टॉक्सिक लेथल हार्मफुल वेनमस हेल्दी
healthy,
हेल्दी
हेल्दी
सब तार सिनोनिम टेम्पेस्टस एंटोनिम ऑफ टेम्पेस्टस टेम्पेस्ट टू टेम्पेस्टस इज TEMPESTUOUS स्ट्रेस काम टॉयल एग्जामाइन
काम
काम
calm,
काम
calm,
अशांत टेम्पेस्टस माने अशांत एंटोनिम हला काम एंटोनिम ऑफ ट्रेटर TRAITOR ट्रेट टू ट्रेटर एंटोनिम हला लॉयल बिट्रेयर
loyal,
ऑनेस्ट
loyal,
लॉयल
द्रोही जहाँ कहती ट्रेटर ट्रिवियल एंटोनिम ऑफ ट्रिवियल होपफुल कॉमन फायर सिग्निफिकेंट
सिग्निफिकेंट
सिग्निफिकेंट बिल्कुल ट्रिवियल माने हला तुच्छ एंटोनिम हिजबो सिग्निफिकेंट एंटोनिम ऑफ स्टेशनरी मोशनलेस स्टील शिफ्टिंग टायर्ड
shifting,
मोशनलेस
मोशनलेस
शिफ्टिंग शिफ्टिंग एंटोनिम पचारथिला
antonym ଟା
स्टेशनरी माने हला स्थिर जोटा तो एंटोनिम हबो शिफ्टिंग स्टील माने भी स्थिर मोशनलेस माने भी स्थिर स्टेल एंटोनिम ऑफ स्टेल STALE फ्लैट
fresh,
ड्राई फ्रेश वेरी गुड फ्रेश बासी जोटा स्टेल एंटोनिम ऑफ स्कार्स SCARCE सेल्डम फ्यू प्लेंटीफुल स्कांटी
प्लेंटिफुल
प्लेंटीफुल
plentiful,
अल्प स्कार्स माने अल्प एंटोनिम ऑफ ओडिया टिके
कार
ओडिया ओडिया कहार माने
मोबाइल कौन पचारे बोली
ओडिया कहली ओडिया पुणी कहार कहार कहबी अवश्य टाइम ही गलानी जे टिके एक्सटेंड कर दो रेकॉर्ड हबनी लागुच गोटे मिनिट रे कोन पचरी रेकॉर्ड ही परिबन चलिबो
चलिबो सर
तमर तो चली जीव
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ,
जे पढ़ेले तांको पई कोन करबो हम्म
सर क्वेश्चन दी
हां कोन
रीजनिंग जो फिगर एनालॉजी रे जो देई थाए सेटा पई कार वीडियो अछि कि बुझिया
फिगर माने ओ फिगर
जो चेंज हो जाए गोटे बॉक्स आ गोटे बॉक्स चेंज हो जिवो तापरटा चेंज हो जिवो
रीजनिंग पूछो जो एबीसीडी थाए
आज्ञा
ईटा पचारे से
आज्ञा 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 सेटा
ठीक अछि मु कहि देबी
सेटे सर कहबे
हम्म सेथिरे कोन प्रॉब्लम कोन होउची जे सेथिरे
से दीटा तीनटा लेखा रोटेशन होउची पूरा जानी होउनी हठात किना
अच्छा अच्छा